Choose the correct answer. The place value of number 4 in 485. I want the place value. The place value means the name of the room of the digit 4. Remember, 5 in ones, 8 in tens, and 4 in hundreds. Okay, now we know 4 in hundreds. 5 tenths plus 4 tenths. I have tens and tens. Same, okay? They are same. So I can add 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equal 9. So 5 tenths plus 4 tenths equal 9 tenths. 7 tenths plus 3 ones. Tenths and ones are different. So I can't add 7 and 3. Okay? So I put 7 in tenths and 3 in ones to be 73. 500 plus 40 plus 2. 500 means I have 5 in hundreds. 4 tenths means I have 4 in tenths. 2 means I have 2 in ones. Okay, if I have 5 in hundreds, 4 in tenths, 2 in ones, that's equal 542. 5 tenths. I have 5 tenths. If you have 5 fingers and count by tenths, let's count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so 5 tenths equal 50. 300s. Get out 3 fingers and count by hundreds. Okay, 100, 200, 300. Okay, 300 equals 300. 5 plus what equal 14? Let's count from the small number to the big number. The small number is 5 and the big number is 14. So count after 5 to reach 14. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers do you have? 9. Excellent. Write the name of each figure. It is a square. It is a cylinder. It is a rectangle. It is a cuboid. Let's add by regrouping. 13 plus 28. I'll represent 13 on tens and ones. How many tens? 1. And how many ones? 3. Okay. I'll draw 1 stick in tens and 3 small squares in ones. Now let's represent 28. How many tens? 2. And how many ones? 8. Okay, let's add tens and tens, then ones and ones. How many tens? Count 1, 2, 3. So I'll draw 3 in tens. Okay, let's count how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I can't draw 11 small squares in ones, okay, because ones can't carry more than 9. So I'll collect 10 small squares, okay, and turn them into 1 tenth. Okay, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and turn it into tens as a 1 10. Okay, turn it to 1 in tens. Now how many ones? 1. Okay, now I have 1 in ones and 4 in tens, so the answer will be 41. Use the place value strategy to estimate. I wanted to add 24 plus 66. I'll estimate from the left side. Look, 2 in tens. 2 in tens. The value of 2 in tens equal 20. 66. The value of 6 in tens, 6 in tens equal 60. Okay, 20 plus 60 equal 80. Okay, now 29 minus 18. Let's estimate each number. We estimate from left side. 2 in tens equal 20. 1 in tens equal 10. Okay, because the place value of 2 in tens is 20, and the value, not the place value, the value of 2 in tens equal 20, and the value of 1 in tens equal 10. Now 20 minus 10 equal 10. Make 10 to add or subtract. Let's know how to make 10 to add or subtract. If I have 9 plus 3, I'll break number 3 into what? I want to break number 3 into numbers, okay, to make 10. After 9, I wanted to make 10. After 9, count to reach it, and after 9, 1. Sorry, after 9, 10. How many fingers do you have? 1. So I'll write 1. Okay. Now I'll count after 1 to reach 3. To know the other number. After 1, 2, 3. How many fingers do you have? 2. Okay. Now I break number 3 into 1 and 2. And I'll forget number 3. Okay. How I'll make 10? 9 plus 1 equal 10. Okay. Now I have 10 and 2. I'll take 10 plus 2 equal 12. So 9 plus 3 equal 12. 17 minus 9. Now I want to make 10 to subtract. I'll break number 9 into two numbers. Which numbers? Look, 17, I have 7 ones. Okay, so I'll break number 9 as 7 and what? I'll count after 7 to reach 9. After 7, 8, 9. How many fingers do you have? 2. Okay, so I'll break number 9 into 7 and 2. Forget number 9. Okay, now 17 minus 7 equal 10. Now I make 10. Okay, I have 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 equal 8. So the answer will be 8. 17 minus 9, 8. Arrange the following numbers from the smallest to the greatest. 430, 254, 259, 130. To compare between these numbers, I'll start from the left side. Okay, now look, I have 4 in hundreds, and 2 in hundreds, 2 in hundreds, 1 in hundreds. Which is the smallest number? Every time I look for the smallest number. Okay, so the smallest number will be 130. Okay, so I'll cross 130 and write it as a first number. Now which is the smallest number? 430, 254, or 259? Yes, I have here 4 in hundreds, 2 in hundreds, and here 2 in hundreds. Okay, 2 is smaller than 4. Now I have two numbers, each one has 2 in hundreds. What shall I do? Okay, look at the next room, 5 in tens and 5 in tens. It's also same, I can compare. Okay, now I look at 4 at once. I have here 4 in ones, 9 in ones. So I can say that 254 is smaller than 259. So I'll cross 254 and write it as a second number. And the third number is 259. Okay, the other number from the two numbers we were compared between them. So I'll cross it and write 259. The greatest and the last number is 432. Number 7. Arrange the following numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Each time I look for the greatest number. 50, 30, 90, 80. Which is the greatest number? Excellent. 100. So I'll cross it and write 100 as the first number. Now I have 50, 30, 90. The greatest number is 90. Cancel 90 and write it as a second number. 50 and 30. Which is the greatest number? 50. Cross it and write 50. And 30 will be the last and the smallest number. Question number 8 complete. Look at the graph, then answer these questions. What was the most popular shape? Look, the most popular shape is hexagon. Okay, what was the least popular shape? Octagon. Okay, how many children voted for rectangle and hexagon? I want the number of children they voted to rectangle and hexagon. So I'll add what? Excellent. 11 and 14. The answer will be 25. How many more children voted for rectangle than pentagon? How many children voted for rectangle? 11. And how many children voted for pentagon? 8. So I'll subtract 11 minus 8 equal 3. How many less children voted for square than rectangle? How many children voted for square? 9. And how many children voted for triangle? 6. Okay, to know how many less children, I'll add or subtract. Excellent, subtract. 9 minus 6 equals 3.